Hello, dear friends. Today we're gonna be making a new mask that I'm making that I love. It's really comfortable and it's really good if you use glasses. So the way I'm doing it is like I got one of these masks on my pattern. So as you can see what I did, I put it on top of the paper and I mark all the way around the mask. Like all, you're just literally gonna make a copy of the mask on paper. So what I did next, and I'm gonna put this on the bottom so you can see. This is my shape. I make a cut and then I make another cut down here. So kind of did this and this to form the shape that I have right here. So if I put it like this, like if I put it up, like I increase like a little bit to make the seam right here. If you put this on top of this mark, you can see what I did right here. So I just went up and cut just a tiny bit. And then right here, if you put it right here, I just shape it the same way. And I just cut it. What I cut, it was like, once you get your length, I got like an inch more. It's an inch longer than this one. So you kind of get the idea. I made another one for children, which is just, I just cut like a 1/4 inch all around. So if you want more detailing how come out with the pattern, just let me know and I can make it on another video and show you. But I think it's pretty like clear how to make it. And if you've been making masks, I'm pretty sure you can come up with the pattern if you not already have it. So we're gonna fold it and we are going to cut it. So just set it like this. I'm just gonna cut all the way around. And this is going to be the back of my mask. I usually like to sew my mask in my serger. For this mask, it's better if you just do it in a regular sewing machine. So right now, to make the front side, you can either use this or you can use your pattern. So I'm gonna use this, and this is 90% polyester, 10% chiffon, and you can find it in Johanns. It's a silky material, so I just like to put this one on top. Let's move to the sewing machine. We are going to sew this part and this part. Same thing with this one. one side is shorter than the other one, same in here. So we are going to set them together. Also make sure the curve goes on top. So we're gonna open them. And we are going to just sew them together. Let me see. So I like to make sure they're centered. Then I open one side to the right, the bottom to the left, or vice versa. I just like to have one on each side, so it's not really thick in the center. And then I just gonna sew. While you're sewing, it's good to have like something. I usually have like a woolen stick. I use one of these cuticle removers, like cuticle removers, so to hold it so my fabric doesn't stretch. So this is what you should have. Now we're gonna go on the bottom part, same thing. We're gonna set them together. Make sure it's aligned. One side goes to one side, the other one goes to the other side. And we're gonna make sure that it's correct, that it matches. And we're gonna sew again. The next thing we're gonna do, we just wanna make sure that these sides are together, like the same. If there's a little bit like, if there's a mistake or something, we just wanna fix it before we flip it around. So we are going to flip it around very careful. And before that, you can just cut all your threads. We can make a little cuts right here to have a better shape. Like if it's not matching, just cut it right now. Same right here. And we're just gonna cut this. So now we can flip it around. I find that this mask is the faster that I make. Like it's really easy to make and you finish it really fast. So that's that. So right now we are going to go ahead and we are going to add the elastic. So I got this elastic that I bought in Amazon. I'm gonna leave the links in the description box. What I like to do is I like to open this to make sure it's going to be straight. I just put a pin or something to hold it. Same thing right here. We're going to open it. So right now what I like to do is I just like to flip this inside, and it doesn't have to be precise. I mean, just like a quarter inch, and I flip it in, and we are going to grab our elastic, and we are going to slide it in right at the corner. And we are going to set the other one, same thing. You can do the other one, I just like to do one at a time. So So at this point, we just want to make sure that it's going to be the same size on both sides. So you can even mark it right here. Like that. So you can have the same size on both sides. Okay, so we're just gonna flip this around just like we did with the other one. And it's really easy. I love this mask because it's so easy to make. You make it really fast, 10 minutes or less, and you're done. And it fits perfect. I just love it, especially because I use glasses, and the ridge of my nose was hurting because of the wire. But with masks that don't have wire, my glasses will fog out, so I didn't like that. So I keep trying different styles to see which one is better, and I'm really happy with this one right now. So the last thing we're gonna do, and this is up to you, I like to sew all the way around, kind of to keep the shape of the mask, and that'll be the last step. And there you have it. You have a beautiful mask, and it fits really well. So I hope it was easy to understand, because I think I was covering with my hands, so you can't really see what I was doing, but it's pretty easy explanatory. So I hope this video was easy to follow along. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel. Until next time, thank you.